Student wants to specify the reason of the Pleiades' appearance change. Which choice most effectively used relevant information from the notes to accomplish this goal? While researching a topic, a student has taken the following notes. Ancient Native American and Australian Aboriginal cultures describe the Pleiades star cluster as having 7 stars. It was referred to as the Seven Sisters in the mythology of ancient Greece. Today, the cluster appears to have only 6 stars. Two of the stars have moved so close together that they now appear as one. So the reason stated in the text for why the Pleiades' appearance has changed is that two of the stars have moved so close together that they now appear as one. So, option choice A says, ancient Native American and Australian Aboriginal cultures describe the Pleiades, which was referred to in Greek mythology as the Seven Sisters, as having 7 stars. This is incorrect because this focuses on the cultures and how the Pleiades has 7 stars, not highlighting how the Pleiades' appearance has changed, nor its reason for having changed. So A can be eliminated. B. Although once referred to as the Seven Sisters, the Pleiades appears to have only 6 stars today. This is incorrect because although it says that it has 6 stars today, or appears to have 6 stars today, it doesn't specify the reason for why the Pleiades' appearance has changed, so B can be eliminated as well. C. In the time since ancient cultures described the Pleiades as having 7 stars, two of the cluster stars have moved so close together that they now appear as one. This seems to be the correct answer because it properly highlights how the Pleiades' appearance has changed, which is that it has 7 stars originally, but two of them have moved so close together that they now appear as one. So overall, C seems to be the correct answer. D. The Pleiades has 7 stars, but two are so close together that they appear to be a single star. This is incorrect because although it does highlight how it has 7 stars, but two of them are close together, that they appear to be a single star, it doesn't specify the reason for why it has changed. It doesn't highlight quite clearly that two of them have moved so close together that they appear to be a single star. So D is incorrect. And with that, the correct answer is C.